Okay, so we're having a little powwow. This is direct from Holley and the Sniper EFI instructions. The car has a GM style large cap HEI. What are you doing?
Nothing, right here.
Anyway, so we have multiple wires coming out of the tack hole. But this thing, it's supposed to only have... What is funny, Xander?
Nothing.
What?
I just skipped to Frederick.
You guys are not punks. Alright, so there really should only be one wire coming out of there.
Yeah, and we've got 3.
And there's 3.
So,
well, 2.
The harness itself has 2 wires in it, but there's another wire that's zip strapped together with it. So they made it really, really tight.
There is,
which is good, and I understand the concept for that.
There is like a Y coming out of the HEI.
But with the way they're routing it, there's a green wire.
Yeah.
That, just pretend there's a fuse panel over here. It kind of runs by the fuse panel and disappears into the harness. Then you have a red wire that's also with that setup that's not connected in the fuse panel, and it appears that it should have been. So I don't know if that's the wire that they're talking about here for red,
well,
for
that's
coil.
Not what we're doing. We're doing the top one, so that doesn't even matter. We're in this one up here. This does not apply to us. This is us. This is us. There you go.
No, this is us.
You know what's funny? Notice the way he talks. He's trying to explain something. Remember your teachers from like elementary school?
I would have been a great teacher.
This is how you do it, kids.
Don't eat the orange crayon, Scotty.
No, purple.
Red.
Tyler says red is the best, and he was in the Marine Corps, so he knows what a crayon
Oh,
is.
well, that
He
would
knows the
explain
best.
it right then and there.
Anyway, so this is where we're at. So we should have one wire, which would be the yellow, coming out of the tack signal.
What if it identifies as orange?
Or purple.
So it's supposed to be
For
tack
retro?
output is the dark brown, which is on another harness somewhere in La La Land. So
Wait, what?
we have no clue. What is so funny? I'm trying to have a serious conversation here.
So are we.
This is like the classroom and
Teacher.
everybody's talking in the back.
Teacher, I'm gonna go potty.
Where is he? Can't wipe his own ass.
This is the checklist.
Ooh, checklist. Fun. Have
Thank
fun
you,
with
sir.
that. So, yeah, but tack output is the dark brown from another harness, which I didn't see no dark brown in there. I see that yellow and
Well,
a green
I saw
Ying off of the...
I saw a brown in there,
yeah, but I'm talking
but
about...
on the dashboard side.
I'm talking about coming off of the distributor. Out of the tack signal.
Jetsons.
What's the Jetsons?
That's what I said.
No,
This
you
is
said
Jensens.
Jensens.
Jensen.
That's a market.
Jensens is the market
Yeah.
that's expensive.
Jet.
Jetsons.
Okay.
That's what I said.
No, you
No,
said
you said
Jensens.
Jensens.
No.
And Jensens
No,
is a
you guys-
car.
No.
Wow.
Actually, it's Jensen.
We got way off the deep end here. I'm sorry. So, back to where we're at. And let's get everybody on the same page. We have 2 wires, yes, exactly, coming out of the tack signal slot. There only needs to be one.
Slut. What?
Yes. We have the yellow and a green. The yellow goes down to the ECM, and the green is going into the car. The green shouldn't be there, and the dark brown is where what should be the tack signal.
Yeah.
So I really would like the wiring diagram for whoever wired this
You're
in the
probably
car.
gonna have to go underneath that dash to help him.
Yeah, Xander's gonna be dash guy because Scotty got hurt. You guys saw it in the last video.
So,
'Cause-
when you go, try and picture yourself in the car already. If you look to the left side of the pedals, where they're kind of mounted at the firewall,
Yeah.
you'll see the harness come in for this. It won't take you but a couple of seconds because it's going to run like this, away from, or down the firewall, and then to the front of the dash.
Oh, okay.
When you see the fuse panel, you'll see the red wire that's just kind of dangling. I'm assuming that's supposed to be plugged into
something, and that
Something,
powers
yeah.
the tack.
exactly. And then you'll see the green wire, like here's the fuse panel. The green wire is like right over here. Not that far, of course, but within a couple of inches, you'll see the green wire. And if you're looking in, you'll see a red wire. It may take a little bit to get your eyes adjusted to be in there because it's not the easiest thing to get into.
Yeah.
But you'll see it. I'm thinking the red wire is the key to it all because it's all zip strapped together.
Yeah, it's all one harness under
Yeah.
there. I saw that too. So, but what's irritating is the way it's wired doesn't jive with what Holley
Right.
tells you to do with an HEI.
And I'm wondering what may have changed because I mean this is a wonderful build. It really is. This
It's
is probably
very
one of the
nicely
best
done.
ones that we've
Yeah.
had here.
I just wish somebody would have provided, whoever built it should have sent a harness with the car.
Yeah.
A diagram.
Yeah, and it's definitely not the owner's
No,
fault at all.
no, it's the builder.
Yeah,
Not, why would you build somebody a car and not provide
information on it.
the information?
Yeah.
Like Mo's vet, we did all that wiring and we provided information of what's going to where. But a lot of people don't seem to
Like to follow directions.
Anyway, okay. So I guess Xander's gonna be back another dash. Burnsy needs Scotty. So I guess Xander and I are Team Mustang. You guys are Team 54 Chev.
Yeah, I'll be team for a couple more seconds. Watch the little video.
Can you have the? How about if you take this chair? I know we're still videoing, but if you take this chair, would that help you be under there? Because you can lean a little and kind of float.
I'm struggling just to even.
Breathe.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. And with that, what do we say?
Oh yeah.